Hi guys, good morning. Ayan, today is my day off. So, ganito yung ginagawa ko. So, ayan, I'm feel sick today. So, ito talaga yung ginagawa ko guys every morning if I have time. Oh, napapa-English na naman ako. This is my daily routine every morning. Every time I'm awake from sleep. Every time I wake up. And I need to toothbrush my teeth, but now I will not toothbrush because my time is very limited only because I'm go to school to have a meeting, general meeting in the school. So I have to go. So thank you for watching. So today I'm in the house, no bra, of course. So I need to drink water. Ganun ako kasilat. So I drink hot water. Because I think I have tonsillitis. Ah, I need to drink hot water. I think my throat is very painful. So my brother outside the parking, he is asleep right now. So sorry. This is our rice terraces. So from now I'm go to the market. I will buy meat shop. Char. Bye. Thank you for watching guys. I love you all.